안녕하세요. Hello K-friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing very well. When you visit Korea, you will find many kimbap stores with a variety of kimbap options. Today, I will show you kimbap made with the cabbage instead of rice. It's said that eating this kimbap helps you lose weight. Let's get started. Slice the carrot thinly and then julienne it. If you have a slicer, you can use it. Slice the cucumber thinly and then julienne it again. Thinly slice the cabbage using a knife or a slicer. Wash it once and remove excess water. Put it in a bowl and add 6 eggs. Add about half a teaspoon of salt. Sprinkle a bit of pepper. Mix well. Put a bit of oil in a preheated pan. Place a suitable amount of cabbage and egg mixture in the pan. Cook it thinly so that it will cook quickly and wrap well in kimbap later. Cook each side for about 2 minutes over low heat. 2 minutes later, when the bottom is cooked, flip it over with a spatula. 2 minutes later, when it's fully cooked, put it on a plate to cool. Repeat the same process for the remaining mixture. You can make 3 egg and cabbage pancakes. Put a bit of oil in the pan. Add a sliced carrot. Add a pinch of salt. Stir fry lightly. Cut the bacon into small pieces. You can use other ingredients you like instead of bacon. Put the chopped bacon in the pan and stir fry it until fully cooked. Put a kitchen towel on a plate and pour the bacon on top so that it absorbs the excess oil. Now let's roll the kimbap. This is seaweed paper for kimbap. Put the longer side of the seaweed on top. Instead of rice, put the cabbage and egg pancake on the seaweed paper. Add a few pieces of lettuce on top. Put some stir-fried bacon. Put some sliced carrot. Put some sliced cucumber. You can add more ingredients you like. Roll tightly, pressing the ingredients inside so that they won't come out when you cut the kimbap. Apply the end of the seaweed with water or rice and seal it. Press firmly to make sure the ingredients stick together. Repeat the same process for the remaining ingredients. Put some delicious sesame oil on top of the kimbap. Slice it into bite-sized pieces. Look at this! The color is so beautiful. Put it on a plate. Very delicious cabbage kimbap is done. How was today's recipe? How about trying healthy and delicious cabbage kimbap this weekend? Thanks for watching. I will see you next week. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.